Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This video is a quick build of the Nanoblock Stegosaurus. Now if you're not familiar with nanoblocks, think Lego, but just a lot smaller. Inside the very small pack you get about 4 bags of small Lego style pieces and 1 set of instructions. I decided that I would open up all of the bags in one go and put them all inside a pot so they didn't get lost. The reason for this was because the instructions, unlike in the Lego kits, didn't come with numbered bags. So all of the bits were all mixed up anyway, so I might as well put them easily accessible. Throughout this video I'm going to draw comparisons to Lego and similar building block toys, as that is the most reference that I have for this sort of product. The instructions are reasonably clear, but they can be complicated at times. As you can see from the video as I progress, the initial layers have to be laid out flat and then the model built up layer by layer on top of it. The back of the nanoblocks don't actually have the same clutch system that Lego have, and as a result they don't stick together quite as strongly. If you're going to keep this model as a presentation piece, it might be worth gluing the model together. As you can see, as this progresses, the model is built up layer upon layer. The instructions indicate what you need to do by greying out the previous steps that you've completed. The parts that are in colour are the parts for completion at that step. I'd never really had much experience to nanoblocks before, and this was given to me as a gift. And I can say that it is quite enjoyable, however it is incredibly fiddly. What has to be commended about this set, however, is that there are a lot of different pieces. Granted, they come in very few colours, primarily yellows, oranges, blues and whites, but there are some specific pieces, such as the plates that go on the back of the Stegosaurus are actually represented by ball and socket parts. I am aware that nanoblocks also do a model train system as well, and I would like to get my hands on this at some point, but as far as I'm aware it's not that easy to get a hold of in the UK. All in all, this model took me about half an hour to complete. If you're not particularly good at this style of construction toy, it might be worth getting some cheaper Lego sets to practice on first. As this is smaller, it does require a little bit more skill in order to get the pieces to fit together correctly. That having been said, I'm keen to get some more sets and expand the range. It's also worth noting that a lot of parts were left over. That's probably because people lose them, seeing as they're so small and need a few spare parts. And here's the finished model. I think it's quite a good representation of a Stegosaurus. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to find out when my next video goes live. See you all again next time.